In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access Zoho Vault. Whether you're completely new to the Zoho ecosystem or already part of it, setting this up is an essential step in taking control of your online security. Let's start by diving into the very first step, which is getting your Zoho account up and running. If you're already familiar with Zoho and have an account, you can simply log in using your existing credentials. Otherwise, you'll need to create a new account. It's quite simple and won't take more than a few minutes. Navigate to Zoho's website where you'll find the sign-up option prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on that. You'll be asked to provide some basic information such as your name, email address, and then choose a password. Make sure that the email address you provide is one you have easy access to, as you will need to verify it later. Once you fill in these details, take a moment to double-check them and then submit the form. After submitting your information, you'll receive a confirmation email. Head over to your inbox and look for an email from Zoho. Click on the verification link provided in that email. This is an important step because verifying your email solidifies your account and grants you access to all of Zoho's services, including Zoho Vault. Now, with your account set up and verified, it's time to take the next step, creating a master password for your Vault account. This password is crucial because it's the key that unlocks all the other passwords you'll store within Zoho Vault. So, choose a password that is strong and memorable. It should be a combination of letters, numbers, and symbols to make it extra secure. Remember, this master password should be unique and not something you use elsewhere. Once you've chosen a master password, you'll be prompted to enter it as you set up your Vault. And just like that, you're ready to log into Zoho Vault. Use your Zoho account credentials to access the Vault. Once inside, you can begin managing your passwords efficiently. Zoho Vault helps by storing them securely and allowing you easy access whenever you need it. As you start using Zoho Vault, you can gradually add all your important passwords, organize them, and even share them securely with your team if needed. But remember, the strength of Zoho Vault lies in keeping your master password safe and private. Never share it with anyone else. Keeping that in mind, congratulations on setting up your Zoho Vault account. You're now in a better place to manage your online security, protect sensitive information, and keep everything organized without hassle. Thank you for watching, and enjoy the safety and convenience that Zoho Vault brings into your digital life.